Ayun guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na Spry the Blind Explorer. At sa video natin ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng APK file. Kasi ang APK kasi, ito yung mga apps na hindi na-download sa Play Store. Pero kahit yung apps na na-download sa Play Store, pwede nyo gawa ng APK file. So, madali lang naman to guys. Kasi,
New notification from
meron
InstaBridge. Get your
akong
own launcher now.
lang.
Set InstaBridge as default. New
Meron
notification from InstaBridge.
akong,
Connected to the known SID reader. And would you like to add this Wi-Fi to InstaBridge? 6:00 p.m. Home
meron,
button.
halimbawa kasi na-delete mo yung isang app, tapos gusto mo siyang ibalik, kaso ayaw mo na pumunta sa Play Store para i-install ulit or mag-search ka pa ulit. So, pag gumawa ka kasi ng APK file, nakasave na siya sa My Files or sa file manager mo. So, meron tayong tatlong apps na gagawa ng APK file. At sa tatlong apps na ito, gagamit tayo ng tatlong screen reader. Ito ang G-Show Screen Reader, Prudence Screen Reader, at TalkBack. So, ayun, simulan natin. Ang gamit ko pala ngayon is G-Show Screen Reader. So, simulan natin.
TikTok. Messenger.
So, itong Messenger, unahin natin to. Wait lang, unahin natin to.
Face Messenger.
Pag G-Show yung gamit nyo, ayan, halimbawa, ayang Messenger, swipe up with 3 fingers lang kayo.
ETS rate. Action shortcuts and notifications.
Action, shortcuts, and notifications.
Add to home screen.
Ito, meron ditong add to home screen.
Move item.
Move item.
Shortcuts and notifications.
Piliin nyo lang dito, syempre, yung shortcuts and notifications.
System launcher.
Ayan.
Gusto mode. Supermod. Ninja analyst. Remove. Uninstall. Share button. Remove folder button. Share button.
Hanapin nyo lang dito yung share. Ayan.
Share. Cancel. Messenger. Gusto. Supermod. Ninja quick share my files. Messengers. My files. Save to my files. New notification from InstaBridge connected to the known. Save to my files. Alvadina Motor 1 item December
Tapos
19,
mamimili na kayo
2024.
dito ng folder kung saan nyo siya gustong isave.
Audio underscore.
So, meron talaga ako ditong ano eh.
Bluetooth 35. Browser 0. CPC com.app. CPCN 4 items February 10.
Ito. Yan yung pinipili ko kasi.
New notification from InstaBridge. Get your own launcher. HXKH. Palagi underscore cut. Reliance. New voice changer 23. Voice change. Save button. Save to. Save button.
So, meron dito i-save. So, dito na siya masisave.
Saving. Save to my files.
Yan, na-save na daw. So, tingnan natin yung mamaya sa my files. Lang. Kasi nasa files na yan
TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, my Play Store, my files.
Sa my files.
My files. Files. More options. Search. Sort device. Pro videos, audio, text documents for APKs 8.
Dito na siya sa APKs. So,
New notification from InstaBridge. Archives APKs 8.
APKs. Ayan,
New notification
dito
from
na siya.
InstaBridge. Archive APKs 8. My files. No files. No files. Navigate up APK. Switch to preview search button. More options. Not installed. Select installed.
So, pindutin nyo lang dito yung installed.
Installed. 8 items in date modified. Sort button. Messenger.apk. Messenger 60.7 MB version. 493.0.0.106.
Oh, ganun lang guys. So, ngayon, talkback naman.
Home button.
So, ayan, i-off ko lang yung
Page 1 of 2.
G-Show.
Back button. Accessibility button.
G-Show off.
I-on natin ang talkback.
Talkback on. System launcher. TikTok.
Ayan, sana naririnig nyo guys.
Messenger.
So, ang gagawa na pa natin ng APK
Search.
files
Search for all apps. Manage. Assistant. Audio. Arizona screen recorder. Audio lab. Arizona background video recorder. Arizona screen. Audio lab.
Ang audio lab na lang. Ayan, audio lab. So, ganun lang din. Magsa-swipe up with 3 fingers lang din.
Actions. Actions. Characters. Actions.
So, actions.
Add to home screen. Shortcuts. Activate. Add to home screen. Activate. Shortcuts and notifications. Shortcuts. Edit.
Shortcuts and notifications.
Shelf width. Settings. Not remove folder. Share.
So, ayan, share.
System launcher. Share. Use Ninja. Quick. My 5. Messenger. Sissy. Sissy. Messenger. Chats.
Messenger.
Sissy. Messenger. Sissy. Bluetooth. Sissy. Met my files. Save to my files.
files. Dito
Save
sa my
to.
files.
Save to.
Hanapin lang natin yung folder na ginamit natin kanina.
Bluetooth. Browser. CPC.com.app. CPCN. 5 items February 11th.
Yan.
HXKH. Messenger. Palagi under Reliant. Voice change. Save. Voice changer 20. Save. Voice changer 2020. Save. Button.
Save natin.
Saving. Save to
Yan,
my files.
Save
Save.
na. Ayun, na-save na daw.
Background. Be my eyes. Bible. Home.
So, punta na tayo ulit doon sa, saan na yun?
Folder colon music. Folder YouTube settings. Play Store as my files.
My files.
My files. Navigate up. AP. Switch to grid view. Search. More options. Not installed. Selected. 9 items. Date modified. Sort. But Audiolab.apk. Audiolab 40.6 MB version. 1.2.37.
O, diba? Andyan na yung Audiolab. So, next
Home.
naman is Prudence Screen Reader.
Using
So,
ETL. Back.
i-on ko lang siya.
Accessibility.
I-on ko lang
Button.
muna yung Prudence Screen Reader. Lang.
Android system. Choose a Giglo Prudence Screen Reader. Giglo Prudence Screen Reader.
Prudence
System
Screen
launcher.
Reader.
My files. Back. Accessibility. Button.
So, i-on natin siya.
Talkback is active. Running Prudence Screen Reader and Talkback simultaneously may cause issues with touch function. Talkback. OK. Button. Page 1 of System Launcher. My files. In the window of System Launch. My files. Accessibility. Media volume is 0. My files. Talkback off. Held volume keys. Talkback turned off.
Lakasan ko lang yung media volume ko, guys.
Notification volume is 93%. 100. Accessibility. Notifications. Click the more background. Sound setting. TikTok. In the window of System Launcher. Access media volume is 6%. 37. 50. 56.
Ayan, sana
87.
narinig nyo, guys, ha.
100.
Ayan.
Accessibility. More sound set. App. TikTok. Messenger.
So, ang Prudence Screen Reader naman, medyo iba to kasi mag-a-assign ka to ng gestures na gusto mong pag-actions. So, punta muna tayo sa Prudence settings.
App Prudence Screen Reader.
Ayan.
Verbosity details. Sound and vibration. Notification. Customize gestures. Customize menu. Customize
So,
gestures.
customize gestures.
Customize gestures.
Yan, dito tayo mamili.
Swipe up then down preview. Swipe down then swipe. One finger angle. Swipe up then left up. Swipe up. Swipe left then. Swipe right then up. Swipe right then down. Notify. 2 fingers. Tap with 2 fingers. Clear edit box. Double tap with 2 fingers. Clear edit box.
So, ito na lang. Double
Double
tap with 2 fingers.
Voice input. Timer. Uncheck. Advanced. Translate. Single. Novel reader. Time. Increase. Decrease. Decrease. Stop speed. Pause. Pauser. Prudence settings. Label. Uncheck. Actions. Extract. Actions. Uncheck.
So, piliin nyo lang dito yung actions.
Customize gestures.
Yan. Tapos, back na tayo dyan.
Prudence screen. Back.
Yan.
My Play Store. Voice changer with effects.
So, ang gagawa naman natin ng tawag dito.
Voice changer
Ang
with effects.
gagawa naman natin ng APK file is yung voice changer with effects. So, ayun. Gagawin ko lang yung gestures na ginawa ko, na nilagay ko doon sa Prudence settings. Yan. Tingnan natin.
Actions.
Ayan. Actions.
Actions. Shortcuts and move item. Add to home screen. Cancel. Actions. Shortcuts and notifications.
Shortcuts and notifications.
Page 1 of short edit. Shelf widgets. Settings. Not interested. Remove all. Share.
Share. Ganun
Shortcuts.
lang din.
Share.
Share nyo lang siya.
Mini app. Quick share. My message. My file saved to my.
Yan,
Save to
sa
my
my
files.
files.
Bluetooth 30. Browsers. CBC. Com.app. CBCN 6 items February.
Sa CBCN. Diyan ko kasi ginawa
CBCN.
yung ano
Button. Download. Button. Device storage. Voice changer. Save. Button.
Save natin.
Save to my files.
Tingnan natin siya sa my files.
My files. My files. Voice changer with Audiolab. Voice changer with effects.apk. Voice changer with effects 15.5 MB version. 4.2.1.
O, diba? So, ganun lang guys magkadali gumawa ng APK files kasi importante din naman to guys eh. Lalo na kapag aksidente mo na delete kahit hindi mo naman gustong i-uninstall yung isang apps. Pag na-delete nyo siya ng accidentally, pwede nyo siyang ma-install ng mabilisan nang hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng hindi mo na pala kailangan pumunta sa Play Store kasi nasa mo na siya. Andun na siya sa
Voice changer with effects.apk. Voice changer with home.
Andun na siya sa my files or sa file manager mo.
Notification shade.
So,
tools.
Ayun, wait lang
Close if button. Facebook.
So, andun na siya sa
notification shade. Tools. Stop.
Andun na siya sa file manager or my files. So, ayun lang mga ka-Blind Explorer. Kung hindi pa ka nakapag-subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, please lang mag-subscribe ka na para sa mga bago pang tutorials.